How is it going? Looking good, you know? You catching a shot of that? What's up, Virgonation? Welcome back to another video. Tonight is Pizza Tuesdays, and in the background we got Miss Chef Liz, Chefisha Liz. She's making pizzas, and she'll make pizza with friends. So I'm going to watch. She's challenging me to make pizzas for us after, even though we never make it. I just watch her one time, catch her little tricks and trades, and just make a better pizza. As always, you know I'm the best. Team Romain out there, you know I'm the best. Ain't no one can test. I always impress. Ace. You can start look?
Yes, yeah.
Alright.
Yes, you may. Alright, so
what are you doing here now?
I'm using the pizza crust mix.
Pizza crust
So
mix.
all I have to do is add water.
Half cup of water per packet.
Warm water. Half cup water per packet. Or just follow the instructions at the back of the bag.
What does it look like half, please? I look like 3/4.
You look like 3/4 to you? Alright. To avoid the
No, I
I'm
can
going to
know.
use a half cup. This is a half cup measurement.
Okay.
Alright?
Oh, okay.
This ain't never far off.
Mm.
I don't throw it all in right away.
Okay.
Take time and stir it in. Pour it in. Pour it in. As we go along. Alright?
You know, me good pan watching and
When you're ready, when you put your mind to it. But
a great job.
me really look forward to laughing, so don't disappoint me now, okay?
Whatever the laughing thing, man.
Don't disappoint me.
We'll never disappoint. So what kind of pizza you make tonight? Talk to me.
Jerk chicken pizza.
Jerk chicken pizza.
Yes, for us, I wanted to use both the pepperoni and the jerk chicken. See? Nice and ready.
Alright.
Even though you'll be doing the romaine, you're getting what I'm doing?
Of course.
So I'm gonna leave this for...
Simple thing, this man need us throw the 2 cup of water in a flour.
Not 2 cups. Not 2 cups. Half cup, babe. Half
Oh,
cup.
yeah.
If you use 2 cups,
Me no problem.
the rest will be history.
Oh, God.
Eh?
Man, the video man have it rock, man. When I miss a beat.
To cut up the seasoning as fine as possible. I like them fine.
Come on, it's faster than that. Quicker than that.
See what we go?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, go like it out.
Me not a bit man, so me not gonna do my thing. Me not take show off and flat myself with that.
Sharks, maybe have any questions? What kind of questions we could have to ask now? Simple thing. Hey, yeah. One thing in me, no. Some of the things them with them make look hard. Sops. You see me? 1-3 this man.
Alright.
Right now, I feel like me.
I'm gonna stay positive. This sound like, so you're not looking?
I feel like I'm not paying attention again. Yo, I'm going to wash style. You know, wash and bees did that class, you know, to make honey. And boy, teacher teach wash and bees to make the cone. And boy, our comb. Honeycomb, right? Yeah. So teacher teach wash and bees to make the comb. And I tell us a wash run off, cause wash as a boy. I swaps. I easy thing this. I never know it's so easy. I run off, left bees. And bees just dead and go and listen. But what's forget say yo, chapter 2 the in the lesson. If you can bust a wash style still. Cause all what you're going over there so simple. Cutting up like a tomato, little sweet pepper. I'll be everything man. Do everything. That's simple thing. Simple. Pineapple too? Oh, that part them have to probably have to come back in your class. Probably have to come back in your class for that part.
Alright.
Yeah, we never run out of that class because I feel like I catch everything I want, but alright. Pineapple in it, then I have to go take trouble again. So tomato get chop, onion, chop, sweet pepper, pineapple.
Cut. And I don't mean cut the video, I mean cut the pineapple. Usually when you're doing the pizza, you do all of this before you need the dough.
Come on, we did add up something in my head already. You know?
How you gonna do it?
Oh, I'm gonna do my thing, you know. You know where I go. A little bit different. You know? Remember some me say decoration is key, you know?
Decoration is key.
So you don't know, say, my thing never different, you see me? You just watch this, see how you do your other thing.
So you can outdo me?
So you can't overdo it. Why not get chopped now? Alright. So what kind of pizza you say I make again? Pineapple...
Jerk chicken pizza.
You mean jerk chicken pineapple pizza?
Jerk chicken sausage pizza.
Alright, so I'll call my one. I'll find a name for my pizza. Tina, why do you think we can call my pizza?
All in one.
I'll find a name before.
All in one.
That's not my bad. But I'll find a name for my one. Like right before you're done. I'll find a name. But then I feel like I'm gonna call Liz like a pizza shop in the future. Auntie Liz Pizza Shack.
Auntie Liz's.
Auntie Liz's, yeah, that bad. Auntie Liz's Pizza Shack. That's what that shot, you know. Yo. Let us know in the comments below if something can work. We talk like a joke now, but you know what I mean? Anything can happen in the future.
Exactly.
You know? Yeah, sometimes I have to speak some things into being, you know? So I feel like say Auntie Liz's Pizza Shack. 14 branches. Right across Jamaica. And then we branch off into the world. Wherever you are. I mean. You just set up some nice, you can walk in, pick up your pizza, move. Yeah, on the go thing. That don't look good enough, is That don't look good enough?
What?
How are you going to look painful?
Romain.
Jesus.
I don't want to be talking so much over the pizza. I can't believe I do this right now.
Oh my gosh.
I can't believe it's not
you can't just do what you do now.
Eh?
No, sir. So this is what?
Circumcision.
Listen. Which what? Jeez, no, that does feel like more something there. Listen a bit.
Are you breathing there?
What kind of sausage is chicken?
Chicken jerk sausage.
Oh, okay. Oh, I can't watch that no more.
A few moments later.
That looked painful. What? Wait. Oi. Why?
It's up to you what size you want to cut your sausage. I can't find you want a sausage.
Up to me what size you want. What size you want to cut my sausage? Me? I will never cut my sausage.
Time out. Come out of the kitchen.
I will never. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Yes, at least she about to grease this pan right here. So she can put the dough in. I just feel like I'm going to do a nice pizza, you know?
Yeah, I believe in you and I'm a good teacher. Hey!
You're a great teacher, to be honest.
It's a bit.
Just a speck.
Just a speck. Alright. Spread it all over. Spread it all over. You can even use a spoon to do this. The back of the spoon.
Oh God, Rachel, you never know that. I'm gonna use it. If they use the part where you eat out of Jano, that would have rough for me.
Babe, you remember what mommy did tell me about the time when she said I go sink the peas? We can't leave it up to chance.
What is it?
You remember Mommy did tell me about the time when you're small and she said you go sink the peas. You remember what she said though?
And you believe that, Liz?
Remain, why your mother will give birth to you would I tell such a lie for you?
Is that lie them tell Pam?
No.
Liz, believe me.
Mommy Pam tell me say on Sunday she cook rice and peas.
Aye.
And she sent Randy go.
Come make a pizza. Come in and see one of the people and believe.
She said Randy go sink the peas and
Yeah,
she come catch him.
She said Randy go make. She didn't say Randy go make pizza.
She said Randy go sink the peas and she come back. She come in at the kitchen come catch Randy with the spatula. I press down the peas in the pot butter.
Oh gosh. I'm not Virgonation, I believe one to you that's a while ago.
So,
but that's one of the biggest lies them tell me as a youth. Where me can't, me no know, me not gonna live down there one day. Them say me sing peas with spatula. So me in the pot I use the spatula. Go down peas, go down. I like them myself. My body at Jamaica know if you sing peas. All you need to do is just get some water, warm water if you have that, and throw it in the pot. And food them take me for now. Virgonation them take me for fool. And Liz just have it now. So anytime anything to do with the kitchen come on, she does. She use against me like, yo, remember say you're not even know if you sing peas. Don't play with me. You know I'm the greatest. See how many pieces I'm gonna make? I have some ideas are floating in my head right now. As me say Liz do fair thing. Ideas just a flow. Me feel I'm more add something like
Babe. That's why I'm afraid of you in the kitchen, you know? That's why I'm afraid of you in the kitchen.
Why?
Your mind, it's too creative. Like, guys.
No, before you even go to something, I just I think to me see them banana over there, so. No one that we can make pineapple banana.
Oh my god.
I think no. Pineapple banana. Pineapple banana. Wow. Name can move forward. Yeah. Come on, the name special, isn't it? Pineapple banana chicken pizza. Wow.
Put it to 450. And then the timer. 15 minutes.
So 450 and set the time about 15 minutes. Alright. So now you say you're adding this one?
Tomato sauce.
Okay.
Right? I had leftover tomato sauce. Right?
Like if you want your tomato sauce heavier.
Yeah, you don't want to put too much. But it's up to you how you like it.
If I'm a tomato sauce lover. Tomato sauce lover. You know me drink tomato juice, right?
Yeah.
Who else would love tomato juice? Like me. Yeah, I don't know if anybody else would love tomato juice like me, but tomato juice is one of my favorite things to drink. It does make me feel like, you know, extra. Like me I drink extra energy. Just pour that on some ice, give me. Good to go.
Getting some color now.
This look good, man. I like.
Yeah.
I think we can out the door now. Is it when you put too much love in your thing, then?
Yes, ma'am. It's all love. The pineapple, I put a little now and I'm gonna put a little more on it.
During the process?
When it finished baking.
Oh, okay. Mozzarella!
Alright. And the amount you put on it depends on how you like it.
Okay.
Right?
I'm not a big fan of cheese, right?
Because you're singing, right?
Yeah, if I have a show, I try to stay away from cheese, but outside of that, hey,
Alright. Here we go. Time for the niceness.
Just ask me if I'm nervous. Come on, man. Team remain, them know saying nervousness in our game. Yeah. So while this clean up, I go and study my brain now. Come on, help me Virgonation. She said the pack of dough. Be quiet, please. Let me study my brain.
That's what you said, man.
Alright, so the pack of dough.
You want me to send you the instructions?
No. No, I want to work from memory.
Alright.
So the pack of dough, the half cup of warm water, right?
Yes.
Make the dough. And then, you know what I mean, because of the ingredients, you don't know, you have tomato, you have onion, you have the sweet pepper, you have the pineapple. As me I say, I might put some banana in my own.
Romaine, no banana. You're crazy.
Yeah.
But not in the kitchen, please.
Yeah, me just look wine every day and just say, yo, this look like you work and just drop it in it.
The day when me that try teach you how, me that show you how to make banana porridge, right? You asked me about some fruit of the sort.
Oh, mango.
Mango. What you ask me?
So people talk the truth.
No, just tell him. Tell him what you ask me.
No, me I say me feel like the mango could have go in the thing. Cause some people try. Sometimes you have to just try something and it work. You never know.
And a smoothie.
Oh God, Lisa make banana porridge and me just say, yo, me feel like you could have just like the mango just
And I say go.
blend out the mango and chew and put it in the banana in the porridge. And call it mango banana porridge.
There's a reason why a green banana we use.
Then you know sweeten it, Liz. Me feel like that could have worked.
No, it could not.
But Liz, it couldn't work. But anyways. So, what I did say a while ago. Onion, tomato, sweet pepper, pineapple, and yeah, and oh, the sausage, the jerk, yeah, I have it. Simple thing. Watch me now.
A few moments later.
Oh, you know as a go along, you have to
Yep, it's ready.
It's ready. Wow.
And look at that.
So guys, I want tree. I can't blocks. I can't blocks. I'm gonna throw them. Ooh.
You're feeling confident?
I'm feeling so yeah. As you can meticulously scrutinize and see what's going on right now. I'm about to do my pizza. And it's gonna taste way better than anything that Liz ever do before. That she call pizza.
That would be good.
That's a dream.
That would be real.
I was dreaming a while ago. Come back to reality.
As long as you put the banana in there, you're good.
No man, I try banana thing there. Once a Virgonation, I really don't think banana would have probably worked. Like, just imagine melted banana on top of that crust. That it just sound good to me. Like in my vision, it look good. Look like something can work.
I'm nervous feeling.
No, so I'm not nervous. No. Did you laugh already? Why you laugh?
We don't know. Just I hope they are good feeling.
Come on, how come there's no paper towel in here?
Oh, let me go and replenish.
No, we got it. Where you go?
Okay.
Our chef not really. It's fun for people. Our chef just doing things himself, yo.
Oh, God.
Need no help. We just need to learn, know the menu. Or the venue. Or you good.
You don't mix.
Don't mix. Cause I'm gonna make the dough. And then just pour it out in this. You know what? There's nothing in it, right?
This is going downhill. already.
So the next thing I need to do right now is get this thing right here, and I'm going to catch.
What is this thing?
This is like a cup measure, like water cup measurement.
What are you doing?
Which one of you like?
Yes,
The one what is it?
Yes, we use pipe water.
Oh, the shooks. Let me get water from the machine.
Damn. No, sir. I can't manage.
Oh, why did you use to mix that again? Don't tell me.
Stick a pin. Did I tell you hot water?
What water is it?
Not warm. Mrs. Steamer come water in it.
Oh.
Not warm.
Oh.
Oh god.
So
I have
it's
spin already. Never expect this so quick. Guys, when I was trying to teach him, I don't even need to explain. You guys heard him.
Oh,
you guys heard him.
Oh, you said warm water, right?
Virgonation. Should I tell him what to do?
Warm water. What is it? Knock it off of
Water.
half cool, half warm.
Oh my god. Did you test the water to see that, to make sure that it's actually warm?
Yeah. We don't have to test that. I do half and half, good man. Alright. So right about now I'm going to, and they say you can't just throw all the water in there, happy?
I didn't say I can't. I was telling you how I do it.
Alright, that means I can't do my thing.
Right.
Means a flour needle now, just throw this thing out. So like say, it have to right, like.
No, nothing to worry about. Remember me just have my technique.
Yeah, I can dig up a while ago. I'll try and mix out that one. I don't like that one. Took the water, but you see.
No, but you don't have no nails.
No. Hey, come on. Back up.
So you back up here, babes. Babe, you remember saying a dumpling you make, right?
Yeah.
Did you see me do all of that? With my finger in the thing?
And I said, look.
Hey! Father?
You don't need the thing.
Babe, here.
Jeez,
Did you at least read the instructions on the back?
wait if you just barely. Anything that you need right out? No?
You want my help?
No? You're good, man.
I get stitches.
So we just need to get something back now and cover this.
That's what you saw me do?
And where do you put it? And then this is, you put it in something there. What? I mean, I have to follow yours then. Unless, what happened now, I have to dirty up too much things. Right?
Okay, sir. Alright, do your thing.
Boy, oh boy, you can't even make me pizza in peace. Wait till I throw my banana for my pizza.
You know what I mean? Remember that I want pizza. Don't do that.
No, it's a work, man. It's just the process. Trust the process.
You can do. You saw my little thing?
Careful.
Oh my god.
They're wishing for me to fall, but Jah gonna make me. Why not stick on? Stronger.
You know it's not sticking because of the wrong side I used.
You know. Alright, so now that is out the way. The dough is out the way. I just need to cut up all my other ingredients. So. Boom back here. Okay. Alright. Please. I'll do it my way.
Yes, man. Yes. I was about to ask you why you're cutting in the direction of your hand, you know? And why you have the board if I cut out the stuff in your hand?
What are you there for do?
Alright, let me just video.
Just record the chef. Seasoning and checking the chef. Alright, so now that we got this out the way, onion will get chopped. You don't need no specific way for that, right?
A few moments later.
Turn me. Wait.
Lord.
Why are you crying? Why are you cooking and crying? Are you okay?
No, I just get emotional sometimes. You know?
Cooking and crying.
Sometimes I get emotional, eh? It's a meat lover's pizza right now.
Remains meat lover special.
But you tell us nothing about the name, don't you?
Yeah. Did you come up with anything?
Well, because you're worried, I'm saying I put the banana in it.
Remain, I don't want any banana on my pizza, so make half banana. Put the banana on half then because I'm not feeling that.
Come up here. Come right up here. What I'm going to do next, Virgonation, I'm going to cut up my pineapples, you know? And I'm still thinking about putting half banana, half pineapple, whatever them other thing, yeah. But I feel a banana vibe. Want to talk to me? If I say do it now, just do it. I'll go to 3 seconds.
When you feel a banana vibe on a breakfast time or something?
Want to say do it?
No. Nobody said do it. Don't do it.
Right now, I know some people in the comment that said do it. But alright.
And we've reached a standstill. What's going through your mind?
Right now?
You feel like you're doing a good job?
I feel like I'm doing a pretty good job, you know? So now that I basically have everything here, I'm just going to, you know, start the process. I just take out things, bam.
This no look good. Mine never looks so mean. Babe, stick up in. What did you not do to the pan?
Oh gosh.
People look. Guys.
No, I just have feel on it. But I make sure that it's alright, you know? Oh gosh!
Oh my god.
Hey, you know that you'll be tired?
Yeah man. Oui. So guys, he's wiping it out because a while ago he took the dough out, did not grease the pan and started putting the dough on. Listen here guys is pay attention in class. What is this?
It's too much? Oh my god.
What do you think?
I think it's too much this.
Oh my god.
Wow.
This is not how you grease the pan. This is too much.
Man, heavy.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna do a show off look like this.
Oh my god, this is a disaster. Baby, you want me to take over from here?
No, you're mad. It's good now, don't
Yes. No. This is not going well.
you know some pizza with a shot? My hand heavy and you know? I was heavy and beat me a while ago, man.
Let's do this.
Alright, now I'm gonna take out the dough, put it in the.
Oh my god. It's sliding all over the pan. Alright.
Excuse me.
Oh god, this is so much fun.
Look at that, people. So this left over now, we can. You see what I say? Yeah. Then it say set this to 240. So I'll break that first.
I said to set it at what?
450. Oh, this guy again. He doesn't really know nothing about the work, right?
You should have been paying attention in school.
Ah, look at it. 450.
How do you feel about what you did?
Great.
Feel like you did better than I did?
I mean, presentation wise, even though I say presentation is key, I'm not gonna lie, I feel like you wanted more colorful.
Why do you think that is?
First of all, you make me nervous in the kitchen, so.
In terms of what? What did I
Like
do?
you want to tell me exactly what to do with my pizza. Like, hey, don't do it that way, do it this way.
Me say
Listen,
what?
slow, make me do my thing now. Virgonation, if you see what I go on in the kitchen, behind the scenes, sometimes you see, actually they have confused me.
After wicked act.
Alright, so that heat up by now. I'm going to push up by this for 15 minutes. And then I'm going to put my pizza in the oven. I'm going to put it on this shelf right here. Easy right there, sir. Yeah, so I could have been off me and I go down.
Yeah, I didn't want to confuse you, so I didn't say anything.
No, remember I say it's tough, you know. Man, I'm man, you know.
So Mr. Virgo's pizza is in.
How is it going? Looking good, you know? You catching a shot of that?
I am.
Wow. Yeah. Turn up. You know what I mean?
What do you think Team Romain saying right now?
Team Romain is saying, wow, I would love to get a slice of that pizza.
Guys, did any of you see me do this?
Just, you know I follow your style, babes. Virgonation,
Please don't let any drop off in the oven.
all this is worried about right now is if the pizza gonna make good, cause she hungry pizza right now, so she worried. She there try help me.
Otherwise, what I'll leave and make it
4 minutes, man. 4 minutes to go. Alright, Virgonation, so I think we're there, you know.
Don't burn yourself, please. Wow, this is looking really good. Is your donut ready?
Pass ready.
Hey! Wow! I can't manage this. Where we come tonight? But we never go to bed.
I didn't know to finish in peace. I'm hungry pizza right now? This can't wait.
I'm not hungry. Help me, help you. I can't willing to accept the help.
Watch it.
You feel proud of yourself, eh?
Of course, my pizza looks so juicy. Alright, so you're gonna be the judge.
Okay.
Tell me how it tastes.
Virgonation, wish me luck. A joke.
Don't bother again. Don't bother. Hold on there, take one bite. You have said nothing. You stay true, I can taste something. Don't give me no, don't big me up if you not really want the truth.
I'm gonna tell you the truth, babes.
Critique me, but.
This is amazing.
Guys, thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you enjoy it. Like always, I enjoy the pizza right now. I know she not answer me. But yeah, we learned something new today. Just like, imagine though, like the banana pan it, probably that's a shot. But you know, one of them things there. We are really and truly busy. But
yes, and the editor He's a perfectionist.
No, we just like when the thing them look good, you know, and they look rushed or anything like that, you know. But we have so much to show you. We have so much to bring forward to the Virgonation, and
Bear with us for this week.
yeah, just bear with us. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.